destination for all things beautiful, functional, and inspiring for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been looking for a way to breathe new life into your backyard after the sun goes down, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving deep into the magical world of outdoor pergola lighting ideas that will completely transform your evenings. Whether you love hosting lively backyard dinner parties or simply want a cozy, romantic oasis to unwind in after a long day, the right illumination can turn a simple wooden structure into the crown jewel of your property. Stick around as we unlock the design secrets that professionals use to create breathtaking outdoor spaces. Pergola lighting refers to the intentional design and arrangement of artificial light fixtures, such as string lights, lanterns, chandeliers, and LED strips, integrated into an outdoor architectural structure. Choosing to illuminate your pergola is one of the smartest design investments you can make because it instantly extends the usability of your outdoor square footage well into the night. Beyond the obvious safety benefit of visibility, strategically placed lighting accentuates the beautiful lines of your woodwork, creates a warm and welcoming ambience, and bridges the gap between your indoor comfort and outdoor freedom. It turns a daytime sunshade into an enchanting evening destination, adding immense aesthetic and functional value to your home. Adding a pergola in your backyard is a great way to bring new life to your outdoor space. Pergolas are an outdoor structure that can provide shade from the sun, cover an outdoor kitchen or hot tub, or simply add a decorative element to your backyard. To get the most use out of a pergola, however, it's important to have the right outdoor lighting so that you can enjoy the space even long after the sun sets. Good lighting is key to creating a warm and welcoming pergola environment. So before you build your pergola, consider these 15 outdoor pergola lighting ideas to enhance the ambience of your backyard even more. One, LED string lights. One of the most popular choices in pergola lighting is outdoor string lights. For a classic but aesthetically appealing look, do as Amy Lefrank at Interior Impressions does in this cozy setup and hang LED string lights overhead, along the perimeter of your pergola. 2. Starburst lights. These solar-powered starburst lights from Nest and Flowers create an inviting glow and give your outdoor space a shimmery and elegant look, making it feel like you're relaxing or dining under a star-filled sky. 3. White string lights. These white bulb string lights, hung by Frankie of Lucky Plot 13, are more visible to the naked eye than Thomas Edison-style bulbs, known as incandescent light bulbs, adding a decorative garland-like element to your pergola. 4. Camping lanterns. If you love the vibe of camping but prefer the glamping experience more, consider adding a touch camp-inspired decor to your outdoor space. This sun-soaked pergola, designed by J&A Group, keeps things fun and casual with an array of brightly colored camping lanterns hanging from the rafters. 5. Fire pit table. Sometimes lighting serves a second purpose. That's the case for Melanie Cook of Banish the Beige, who added a fire pit table to her dreamy pergola setup. It adds light and warmth, making it a perfect environment for cozying up on a chilly night. 6. Candle lanterns. Rachel B. of Rachel's Lovely Home turned the corner of her backyard into a cozy oasis with this pergola, featuring several lighting types. In addition to string lights and a fire pit table, she added outdoor candle lanterns as a garden lighting accent. 7. Hanging light fixture. For a more formal or permanent space, installing a hanging light structure is a great choice. This elegant pergola, designed by Tribe Design Group, features a rectangular chandelier above an inviting dining table. 8. Rattan lanterns. All-weather rattan lanterns make Kirsten Diane's boho-inspired pergola feel especially cozy and inviting. For added depth, choose lanterns of different shapes and sizes to hang. 9. Mix and match hanging pendant lighting. When it came time to choose lighting for her pergola, Laquita Tate interior styling and design embraced the natural elements with mix and match hanging lanterns. Despite being different from one another, together they achieve a cohesive feel. 10. Paper lanterns. While they aren't weatherproof, hanging paper lanterns is an affordable and festive way to add flair to your outdoor space. Paper lanterns are available in an array of colors, but Mary Walker of My Renovating Diary prefers the gentle lighting that comes through neutral white ones. 11. Adobe-style fireplace. Boho pergola lighting. This stylish pergola, designed by Emily Henderson, features several types of lighting, but it's the Adobe-style fireplace that really centers the space. 12. LED light strips. If you're looking for lighting inspiration for your modern pergola, LED light strips offer a streamlined appeal. This Azenko outdoor pergola features 2 lighting choices: LED light strips and a cozy outdoor gas fireplace. 13. Outdoor table lamp. If you don't want to run an extension cord or power line out to your pergola, consider portable lighting options like an outdoor table lamp. Annabelle Rogers of @Designer Mumet is prepared with lighting sources of all kinds. 14. Candles. Candles pergola lighting. Amy Waterhouse of @Ginger Hearts added a romantic touch to the sitting area beneath her pergola with the addition of candles. Make one of them a citronella candle to keep the bugs at bay. 15. In-ground lights. Outdoor pergola lighting. If you'd rather your light source to be concealed, consider installing in-ground lights around your pergola. They'll be mostly out of sight but still illuminate the area. Achieving a luxury outdoor look does not require a massive renovation. Often it just requires seeing your space in a whole new light. From the soft vintage glow of Edison bulbs woven through the rafters to the sleek sophistication of modern color-changing LEDs, the options to express your personal style are endless. Remember to mix and match different types of lighting to create depth and texture, ensuring your backyard is just as warm, inviting, and stylish as the inside of your home. If these pergola lighting ideas sparked your creativity, please hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more weekly home decor inspiration. Drop a comment down below telling us which lighting style was your absolute favorite, or share how you currently light up your own backyard oasis. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an episode, and we will see you in the next video.